Hey, I just bought the new Mavic Air 4 Pro Mini with the new RC2 controller. It's going to be a big improvement over my old Mavic Air. I've had this for about 6-7 years now, but before I retire this little thing, we're going to head to Bogota, Colombia on my layover tomorrow. We're going to climb the top of Monserrate Mountain, which is going to be about 10,000 feet MSL, and we're expecting winds over 30 knots, both of which are the limits of the Mavic Air. Let's see how she does. Let's go to Bogota.
So leaving the hotel, picking up an Uber, we're gonna head to Monserrate. It says it's 10,000 Colombian pesos up to the top of the mountain, which is only about $3. We're just pulling up into Monserrate now. All right, so here we are in Bogota. It looks like the line is huge today. I think if we get to the top of the mountain, fly the drone, hopefully, and get back down, that would be a good deal. And right now, I don't see the cable car going. Maybe the train's just working today. As you can see, it's very crowded today. Probably a bad day to do this. Well, time to wait in line. Just got my round trip ticket. The cable car is broken, so everybody has to go up on the train. So that's one reason it's so crowded here today. I haven't been on the train, so that'll be a different experience. I can think of less claustrophobic situations. So heading up the mountain, over 10,000 feet up. Walking up towards the church up here, find some spots to take some pictures, hopefully fly the drone, and then head on back down. I got about an hour, and the weather has broken. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. And you got to remember, you're over 10,000 feet up. You get tired real fast walking around here. The wishing pond. These are the views of the city you've been waiting on. 12 o'clock church bells. Best alarm clock ever. And this is the church. That's about as much church as I've done in 20 years, and that's enough. I'm gonna find a spot for the drone. Let's go over there and take a look. Everybody's really watching over there. No molesto policia. All right, well, that was totally successful. It's 3 drone flights, and I got the picture I wanted. So I'm gonna haul-tail it back to the hotel. We got an hour and a half to get back. Minutes for the ride, 30 minutes for the Uber. We'll see if I make it. Well, he was a real pleasant man.
Flying as a loser, it'd be worth the game.
That's it for Bogota. Till next trip, we'll see you. Hey, we got a visitor. Hey, you can sit down right there, buddy. High five, man.
Hey, I got it. All right. You're the future pilot. I do it. Hasta luego.
Remember, no molestar.